Part 1. Installing the blinds. Motor 1. Thread the blind pull cord into the motor drive wheel, pull it tight, and mark the position of the motor with a pen. 2. Remove the back hanging plate of the motor, apply double-sided tape, or secure with screws, and fix it at the marked position. 3. Hang the motor into the blinds, ensure that the blinds are in the closed position initially, and insert the motor into the hanging plate. Part 2. Setting up the app. 1. Adding the device. Open the Smart Life app that you have already installed, turn on your phone's Bluetooth, click on Add Device, and simultaneously press the Reset button on the bottom of the motor. The app will discover the motor, click Add to complete the setup. 2. Setting the motor limits. Before installing the motor, ensure that the blinds are in the closed position. In the app, click Start Study, and the motor will raise the blinds until they are close to the top. Click Stop Study to complete the limit setting. If the direction is incorrect, you may need to start over from step 3. Three. Reversing and resetting the motor. Ensure that the blinds are closed. Then click the Reset button to clear the travel, and click the Reverse button. Follow step 2 to set the limits again. 4. The app allows you to schedule blind movements and connect with Alexa and Google Home. Explore these features at your convenience.